After waiting for so much time, I finally did it. I get my WAS 8 Helios dice for the Season 2 exclusive summon. And I'm going to get for sure one legendary hero. So wish me luck, I wish you luck, and let's go. Starting with the first summon, going to see what is going to be. Boom! And it's going to be a rare. Okay. It's going to be this guy. Burgas. Why there is so many gnomes in this game? Okay, Bex, welcome to the party. Let's go for the next summon. I think I'm going to get my legendary at the end just because it's 3% chance to get a legendary. Okay, a rare. Where is his jaw? Oh my god. Okay, Letalis. I'm going to check this guy also. He's a captain. Increase all allies attack by 24 in dungeons battle. Okay, this one should be a good one. Anyway, let's continue with the summoning. We still need 6 more summon for a legendary. So, see what's going to be the luck. Okay, it's going to be a rare. Again. Oh my god, I already have this one. Come on, game, seriously. Dora, welcome to the party, Dora, but I don't like you that much. Let's go for the next summon. And boom! Still not even one epic. Okay, we're talking about the epic. Here comes the epic. Alvis is a captain, increase all 24 in all battles. Okay, this is a very good thing. Okay, he's a rally guy. Blah 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 blah. What's the damage? Use 200 attack radiant damage. Okay. 15% critical rate bonus to an ally. Okay, this is a single ally. Okay, if it's for all allies, this is going to be absolutely insane hero. But anyway, let's continue with this next summon. Hopefully we get something interesting. Still just one epic hero. Going to be a rare. Oh my god. Ellie, where is your eye, Ellie? And why you have this big wood in your hands? Okay. Anyway, still 3 more to go. Go for the next summoning. What is going on? Oh my god. I get little heart attack right now. Okay, let's see what is going to be. Oh, epic one. Voresh, I already have Voresh. Very good hero. If you have him, level up him, you're not going to regret. Absolutely great hero. So yeah, 2 more left. Let's go for the next summoning. Boom! And what's going to be? Epic one, okay. I'm open for epic ones. Lydia. What Lydia do? Every 5 basic attacks grant blah blah blah. Okay, we're going to check Lydia also, and this have to be the legendary one. This one have to be the legendary one. So let's see. It should be the WAS. It's the 10th summon for the guaranteed legendary. Yeah, it's a legendary. Yay! What is this? Stegamuffin. Stegamuffin, what's going on? This is absolutely insane. Increase all allies attack by 30% in all battles. I definitely was needing somebody like this. I hope he have AoE damage. When hero deals damage to an enemy, there is a 25% chance to inflict one debuff. Randomly selected following. Okay. Oh, there is pretty big selections. Okay, this one is deals 300 poison damage to the enemy within the highest attack. Mark them for 6 seconds. During the time the hero will shoot additionally arrow, blah 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 blah. Let's see the ultimate of this bad boy. Summon a magic nexus that was 8 seconds. Target area, dealing 85% poison damage to the enemy within the range every 1 second. So 8 seconds with 65%, we're going to see. When the magic nexus exists, the enemy who die, it cannot be resurrected. Is there enemies that resurrected? Oh yeah, I remember in the season 1 there was a one guy in the caves that actually get resurrected. Okay, welcome aboard, man. I mean, this 30% extra attack is going to be so helpful. Too bad this guy is not shooting multiple enemies. This is the only thing that I don't like, and I'm not so sure this Nexus can be good one. But anyway, this is the legendary. We no longer have this summon attempts, so we get our two legendary heroes. So let's check what do we get. Karlfif, it was the first summoning I make and I get him. Yeah, this is the one of the legendary. I will level up him just for this 30% extra attack. I definitely have a lot of great heroes that can be used. This one was the second one. Let's see the spells. When carry rally, there is a duplicate rally in Alibaba. Okay, deals 200 radiant damage to the enemies within the range with 40% chance to get rally. Okay, and what is the ultimate? Oh, it's a single target. Ah, it's the giving the ally extra stuffs. This one, Lydia. Okay, what Lydia do? Every fifth basic attack grant a 20% maximum hero, 10% enchant. Okay, this is a tanky one. Okay. Uh, what grant immortality for 5 seconds? Okay. Immune to death? Okay. Grant control immunity to all allies for 10 seconds and unleash the battle skill once. Unleash the battle skill, okay. Uh okay, Lydia, who else do we get? We get this goblin and rest is, I think, 3-star heroes. We have to go over them, not so sure. I'll check them, maybe I'll make different videos. So yeah, we get the new legendary hero and I'm going to test this guy. For sure, I'm so happy with Karlf. Karlf is my man. I'm also from the sea and I really like this guy. So yeah, I guess this will for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like. If you enjoy Dragonheir Silent Gods videos, consider subscribing to this channel and see you in the next video.